All parks in Punjab declared no smoking zones. Wednesday, July 30, 2025. This image shows a beautiful view of Jilani Park in Lahore. Lahore. Provincial Secretary Housing and Urban Development has announced all public parks in Punjab as no smoking zones, and strict action will be taken on the violation. Secretary Housing Punjab Nurul Amin Mengal made this announcement while visiting Bagh-e-Jinnah here on Tuesday along with PHADG Raja Mansoor. On this occasion, the Secretary Housing announced that this measure has been taken so that children and the young generation can be protected from the bad habit of smoking. He said a notification has also been issued in this regard, under which Section 5 and 7 of the Prohibition of Smoking and Protection of Non-Smokers Health Ordinance 2002 will be implemented. Under this notification, smoking and its sale in public places have been prohibited. He said, adding there was a complete ban on the use and sale of cigarettes, e-cigarettes, vapes and tobacco products in parks. Even the sale of cigarettes has been prohibited at tuck shops, cafes and vending points. Secretary Housing said according to the notification, no smoking boards and instructions will be installed at various locations in the parks, and the staff present there will continuously monitor. He directed all PHA authorities to ensure the implementation of the rules within 10 days so that a healthy environment can be provided to the citizens. This step was not only important for providing a clean and healthy environment to the citizens, but was also a significant step towards protecting children and the younger generation from the harmful habit of smoking. Parks were generally abodes of families and exercisers, where a smoking environment not only affects the health of others but also makes tobacco use socially acceptable. At Bagh-e-Jinnah, Mengal visited and inspected different parts of the park. Describing Bagh-e-Jinnah as a historical heritage, he said that highlighting its true identity is the need of the hour. Meanwhile, Punjab Environmental Protection Department and Punjab Safe City Authority have prepared to launch a crackdown on smoke-emitting buses and trucks. In this regard, a meeting was held between MD Punjab Safe City Authority SN Yunus and EPA DG Imran Sheikh. EPA DG and Chief Operation Officer Safe City Mustansar Firoz signed an MOU. MD Safe City Authority SN Yunus and Secretary Environment Punjab Saulat Saeed and Secretary PTA M. Hassan SN were also present on the occasion. Thank you.